Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Astra theme in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance menu on the left sidebar, then click on Themes. Next, select Add New at the top of the page. Use the search bar to find Astra, then click Install. Once installed, make sure to click Activate to enable the theme on your website. This simple process takes just a few moments. Once Astra is active, you can begin customizing your site. Head to Appearance and then Customize to open the Theme Customizer. Here, you will find extensive options to personalize your website's look and feel. You can easily adjust your header and footer layouts, choose from various typography settings, and fine-tune colors and backgrounds. The live preview feature allows you to see all your changes in real time before making them public. To jumpstart your website design, consider using Astra's starter templates. First, install the Starter Templates plugin from your WordPress dashboard. This plugin offers access to over 200 professionally designed, pre-built website templates. You can import a full website or individual pages with just one click. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to easily modify content, images, and styles using popular page builders like Elementor or Beaver Builder. Astra is renowned for its exceptional performance. It is an incredibly lightweight theme, often less than 50 kilobytes in size, which contributes to very fast loading times. This speed is crucial for both user experience and search engine optimization. Furthermore, Astra boasts broad compatibility with leading page builders such as Elementor and Beaver Builder, giving you flexibility in design. It also fully supports WooCommerce, making it an excellent choice for e-commerce websites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.